The effects of a commercially available botanical supplement on strength, body composition, power output, and hormonal profiles in resistance-trained males. Something had a significant impact on both upper and lower body strength and body composition in comparison to placebo in a double-blind controlled trial. These changes were obtained with no clinical side effects, allowed these men to leg press an extra 100 pounds compared to placebo, and the magical substance was fenugreek, a naturally occurring edible spice that appears to double as an anti-cancer agent. Here's prostate cancer cells in a petri dish. Here's prostate cancer with a little fenugreek. Here's another type of cancer before and after. What about normal prostate cells, though? Before fenugreek and after. That's what we like to see. In summary, fenugreek seeds may possess potent anti-cancer properties. So what's the downside? Find out in